Dynapro slides from Grass America are the premier undermount drawer slide, perfect for all your cabinetry needs. With its synchronized slide technology, Dynapro allows you to build drawers 48 inches wide without adding additional components. By simply reaching under to release the front locking device, the drawer becomes disengaged. To reinstall the drawer, rest the drawer box on the slide. Because of Grass's serrated and synchronized design, you can simply push on the corner, even for a drawer as wide as 48 inches, and you will hear the connection. Other features of Dynapro include slide lengths from 9-inch to 30-inch, offered in 3-inch increments, a 100-pound load rating on standard slides, and a 132-pound version for wide, deep drawers, perfect for your pot and pan drawer or drawers that have a more substantial requirement. Soft closes with exceptionally smooth closing action. A built-in stop to ensure accuracy in inset applications. A front support wheel to keep drawer heads placed where you want them. Works with 1/2-inch, 5/8, or 3/4 drawer box material. A 3D version for tilt adjustment when needed. A wide array of front locking device options allow for height adjustment, side-to-side adjustment, and depth adjustment. These are just a few of the Dynapro features. The Grass Dynapro slide system allows the cabinet maker to create the perfect setup based on your needs and your customers' desires. Dynapro also has an easy add-on feature to transform your drawer into Tipmatic push-to-open with soft close. This is a perfect application for a trash bin. No need to calculate weights, as the Tipmatic offers full adjustability for all drawer weights. Want a contemporary look? Dynapro is the base platform for Vianaro. This allows a wood box and a Vianaro to be interchangeable. So whether you're building wood drawer boxes or looking for a modern style with Vianaro, need to add push-to-open feature with Tipmatic, building frameless or face frame cabinetry, need a few adjustments or all of the above, the Grass Dynapro slide system allows you to function from a single platform, saving you time and money.